Fantastic, hey? How wonderful is that? So, welcome to a new season of 2025-26. And welcome to New Era Tourism and Events. Wow, what a season this is going to be. So, before I go any further, can I just ask you all to subscribe? Because there's a reason for this. We're taking things from a brand new perspective this year. Complete brand new perspective. Basically, we're looking at the event industry as a whole. With it saying obviously how much the event industry is worth and there's been disability. We're going to look at see how much obviously how inviting events are and disability friendly and how the two connect together. So I've just spent absolutely ages and ages doing the planning phase. This is why I've been so quiet. We're going to be going to some amazing events around the country. So as you're watching these videos, I want you to carry on liking the videos. And the one that's got the most get my words out. The ones that got the most subscribers, the ones that's got the most likes at the end of the year will be the clear winner. And we'll talk about what happens with the winners at the end of the year. So I want to know which ones you like the best, which video is appealing to you, which place is appealing to you. We're still going to be looking at theme parks. As you know, some of them have, apart from Drayton Manor, which obviously their 75th birthday this year. So they're going to be doing a few events. Obviously Merlin, they've dropped down on their events for a couple of good reasons. Other theme parks have unfortunately flambarded. We've had to say goodbye to those. Oakwood as well, but we're going to be visiting other theme parks this year. So, but we are also going to be saying travelling to some good places as well, places that we haven't been to before. So looking forward to that. Just making sure I haven't missed out anything for you guys. So yeah, our main objectives, as mentioned, is how disability friendly is the events industry. That is what we want to cover this year. And this is why we're going to be travelling around the UK to see what it's like. So yeah, I think I've covered it all. If anybody's got any places where we think, could do a going there, to show how disability friendly it is. They are really friendly and everything. Two other things I want to mention is we have sponsored two Speedway riders. I don't know if you've heard of Speedway before. It's not the Nash cars, but it's the actual Speedway with actual motorbikes. Motorbikes with no brakes. So we've sponsored Max James, that was sponsored last year, so I'm going to be doing a collaboration with him. I'm going to see if we've sponsored Vinnie Ford as well, so we're going to see if he's available as well to come and talk to us on the channel. I'm going to look at doing a couple other things as well away from Speedway with other events as well. So this year looks really exciting. Please say subscribe to us, and yeah, we're going to bring you more action from different places and look forward to hearing from you guys. And as I say, it's going to be really exciting. So that's all from me for now, and cannot think of anything else. Mr. New Era says hello guys. So yeah, from me for now. Goodbye.